Okay guys, just added over 2 hours of piano blues lessons on webpianoteacher.com. Over 2 hours of HD video or for blues lessons. Include a lot of right hand licks that you guys have been asking for, right hand patterns, and some bass lines, and even some technical help. If you have trouble playing fast or playing octaves, that sort of thing, I give you some help on that. But here's some of the stuff I show you. Stuff in the lessons. Spent a lot of time on it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please support the cause by getting a membership to webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.